Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up and install a D-Link water sensor model number DCH-S161. I will be using an iPhone for this setup, however if you're using an Android phone the steps will be similar. Make sure your phone is connected to the same router that you want to connect the water sensor to. In order to set up the water sensor you will need to download the My D-Link app from the App Store. If you're using an Android phone you can download the app from Google Play Store, launch the App Store on your device, search for My D-Link and install the app. Once the app is installed, go ahead and launch the app. If you're new to My D-Link service, you'll need to create a My D-Link account. Tap on Sign Up to create an account. I already have a My D-Link account, so I'm going to use it to sign in. Tap the menu button on the top left. Tap Add a Device. Tap Next to scan the QR code. The QR code can be found on the back of the water sensor. Connect the sensor cable to the bottom of the water sensor, then tap Next. Remove the battery cover and insert two AA batteries and reattach the battery cover. Then tap Next. The LED should start flashing amber. If the LED is not lit, press the button on the side of the water sensor for 1 second and let go. Tap Next. If your router does have a WPS button, then tap where it says Tap Here to use Wi-Fi protected setup and follow the on-screen prompts. In this example, I will show you how to set up the water sensor manually. Tap Next. Tap Join to connect the phone to the wireless signal of the water sensor. Then tap Next. You should be automatically connected to the signal of the water sensor. To check, you can go to Settings and Wi-Fi on your device and make sure you're connected to the signal of the water sensor. Tap Next. Tap the Wi-Fi network you want to connect the water sensor to. Enter your Wi-Fi password for that network. Tap Next. Tap Device Location to set a location for the water sensor. I'm going to leave it at default and tap the back button. You can assign a designated contact from your contact list on your phone. This will allow you to call your contact from the notifications alert window. This is an optional setting and you can configure this at a later time as well. In this example, I don't need to set a designated contact, so I will just tap Next. However, if you want to configure this now, tap Designated Contact and follow the on-screen prompts. Tap Next. The device is being set up and binding to the My D-Link server. You can place the water sensor where you want to monitor for leaks. An important note to make here is that the sensor's main unit is not waterproof and should be placed where it will not come into contact with water. Tap Next. Tap Done. The water sensor is successfully set up now. Another important note to make here is that the water sensor will go into sleep mode within 20 seconds after the setup to conserve battery power. If water is detected, the sensor will wake up, connect to your Wi-Fi and send push notification to your device. This may take 15 to 20 seconds. For more helpful videos, please check out support.dlink.ca.